In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Handbrake step by step using the official download source and the correct setup process so you can get it installed quickly and safely. Handbrake is a free open-source video transcoder for Windows, macOS, and Linux, and it's a great tool if you want to convert videos with ease. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. First, open your browser and go to the official Handbrake website at handbrake.fr. This is the only website you should use for the download because it ensures you're getting the real version of the software. Once the site loads, go to the download page and choose the version that matches your operating system. If you're on Windows, download the installer file, which usually comes as a .exe file. After the download finishes, locate the file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to launch the installer. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes to continue. This is completely normal during software installation. Now the Handbrake setup wizard will open. Follow the prompts carefully by clicking Next, then I agree, and then Install. The installer will begin setting up Handbrake on your computer. In some cases, you may see a message saying that the .NET Desktop Runtime is missing. If that happens, click Yes to go to Microsoft's website, download the recommended version, install it, and then come back and restart the Handbrake installer. If you're not sure whether you already have .NET installed, don't worry. You may also receive an alert the first time you run Handbrake, and you can install the required component then if needed. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to close the setup window. After that, you can open your Start menu and search for Handbrake, or find it in your installed apps list. From there, you're ready to launch the program and start using it. And that's it. Handbrake is now installed on your computer and ready to go. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want a full beginner's guide on how to use Handbrake next.